Hello everyone, welcome to another episode on Ukraine travel series. Coming down from the Adriivyskyy's descent street is the historical neighborhood of Podil, a major commercial and business hub. There are plenty of places of historical importance in this area like Mikhailo Bulgakov Museum and Memorial, National Museum of the History of Ukraine, Ukrainian National Chernobyl Museum, St. Nicholas the Wonder Worker Church, Nativity of Christ Church, and many more. This is the famous Christmas market, which is always buzzing with activities. This is again a very nice area to stay in the middle of the town with variety of shopping and dining options. This giant wheel-like structure is called Ferris wheels, which provides a very good view of the city and the Dnipro river. The square area is also known as Kontraktova Square, which means area of contacts. It definitely lives up to its reputation, as here you can make good contacts with the local Ukrainian people. The bells found in my background is of St. Catherine Church, which is a prominent Greek Orthodox church. I found this food stall here selling some local food items. There were many vegetarian options as well. So I bought one of those tasty looking breads. So I found this bread. Basically कुछ और ऑप्शन दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, तो this looked like a safer option. So I just went for this. This costed me around 70 Rania. How do you know? I don't know how do they say that, but it looks fascinating, very tasty. This area is also a major attraction for nightlife, as it has a lot of pubs and restaurants which are open till late night. Let's go further towards the Funicular now, which is just 5 minutes walk from this point. So this is the entrance of the Funicular, which connects the lower town area to the upper town. During the rush hour, especially evenings, it becomes quite crowded. One-way ticket cost is 8 grivnas. The first car got full very quickly, so I decided to wait for the next one. As soon as the next car arrived, I hopped into it and entered the first cabin so that I can have a good view. It's a wonderful transport network in which a cable attached to a pair of tram-like vehicles on the rail move them up and down on a steep slope. The ascending and descending car counterbalance each other. Both the cars move at the same time from the opposite stations. At the midway point, both the cars cross each other, ensuring the balance on the cable is appropriate. Here we are passing through the Volodymir Park area. You would have seen it in my previous vlogs. Check the link above to watch this episode. So here we arrive at the upper town station now. This entire journey takes about 3 minutes. So here we have a small replica of this funicular. As you can see, it was made long back in the year 1905. This side of the funicular opens in the Volodymir Hill Park area, and majority of the local attractions and monuments are just a walking distance from here. So just next to the funicular entrance is this small children's play area. You can see so many kids are here enjoying their time. There you can see the St. Michael's Golden Dome Monastery. We'll take you on a tour of these famous monuments in the next episode. Till then, stay connected.